it seems like you kind of created a playbook, right? Like as a small pharma, as you said, you're able to bring in the tools and approaches which you had access to when you were part of a big pharma. You're bringing in the not just the thought leadership on how to do this, but the tools and technologies to make it happen. Actually, having a small team is actually giving you easier access to change, because when I talk to big pharma and other people, they have a big change management challenge while you're three people getting together, solving problems and making it happen. So it seems like an exciting journey. Any last words for our podcast users who are going down this journey? What advice would you like to give them, and saying what should they do and what should they not do in this AI journey?
What I'll say is our approach has been to jump enthusiastically into the shallow end of the pool, minimize the risk, keep it to a containable kind of problem, and that by definition will mitigate the likely downsides of moving too fast, because you won't be breaking anything big or important. Things like double checking, training, giving suggestions, not directions. Those are the kind of ways in which we are mitigating the risk of moving quickly or faster than, say, someone with more at stake, or doing it in places where there's more at stake would do. So that's our approach. Again, we could change on a dime should we learn that there's more risks that we're taking on. And that's honestly the biggest thing. The one thing that we didn't talk about is compliance risk. And so we do need to be careful about that. And so the legal is always a partner in this as much as IT is, I think.